How to enable Instagram messaging update. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to enable the Instagram messaging update easily and fast. First thing you wanna do guys is very simple. Just open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Go to the search bar here in the top and then search for Instagram like this. And then right here you will find an update option right here in the open. So you have to click on update to update your Instagram easily and fast, and after that you will get the messaging option. After that you have to restart your phone and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.